Triple threads, 1, 2, 2, 3, 6. Here we go. If there's a race card, we'll randomize it. If not, no point. Here we go. Triple threads. 1, 2, 2, 3, 6. Let's just see some big, crazy booklet. That'd be lovely. Oh, thank you for that, Ringer. That's impressive by me. This one, that's the thickest one I've ever picked up so far this year. There are crazy booklets in this product, I'm pretty sure. Clemente, Kalenic, Carrera. Manny Ramirez to just 18. That is for the Boston Red Sox. Tim Anderson to 27. To 299, Babe Ruth. And a pink to 125, Freddie Freeman. No booklet, just some thick boys. Jackie Robinson, Corbin Burns, Jose Ramirez. There is a booklet. That is beautiful. 1 of 1 game used memorabilia, Wander Franco. That is a big boy. Holy shit, that is cool. Wow. That's awesome. Well, somebody in the break is walking away with that. To 99, Josh Bell. To 299, Mike Trout. And to, you wouldn't grade that. To 150, Ozzie Smith. Booklets don't tend to grade well because of the creases in them. But regardless, that's a massive card. Well, this is a big random. Here we go. Someone's winning the race. We'll grab this list of people. 5 times. Here we go. It is big boy night here in the city. Let's do this. 5 times. Whoever's on top wins them in triple threads. 1, 2, 2, 3, 6. Let's do it. 1, 2. Raison on the list, obviously. 3, 4, and 5. Top is the Texas Rangers. 5 times. Yeehaw for the Texas Rangers. Who's got them? Texas Rangers in 1, 2, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 2, 3, 6. Rangers are Danny Whiten. Congratulations. Huge card right there for Danny. We'll get these all protected. And that is a massive break there.